In flexible packaging lamination, the film may look fine when it leaves the rubber nip roller. But after cooling, rewinding, or storage, nip marks or glossy bands become much easier to see. In many cases, the mark was already formed while the laminate was still warm. It just was not obvious yet. The film is softer inside the heated nip, so it is easier to press out of shape. If one area of the rubber roller presses slightly harder because of a local diameter difference, uneven rubber recovery, or adhesive buildup, that part of the laminate may be compressed more than the rest. The difference can be very small. While the film is still warm and under tension, the surface may still look normal. After cooling, the laminate becomes stiffer. The compressed area may recover differently from the surrounding material. Even a small change in surface flatness can change how the light reflects, so a weak deformation becomes a clear bright band, dull band, or shallow pressure mark. Rewinding can make it worse. Inside the finished roll, the layers keep pressing against each other. If one lane already has a slight deformation, the roll pressure can hold that shape and make it more visible during storage. There is a simple way to check this. Take a sample directly after lamination. Do not rewind it. Let it cool flat and then compare it with material taken from the finished roll. If the mark also appears on the flat sample, it was probably already created around the laminating nip. If the flat sample looks normal, but the mark becomes clear after rewinding, the roll pressure is probably making a small variation more obvious. The shape of the mark can also tell you something. If one band runs continuously in the machine direction, one fixed position across the roller is probably pressing differently. Check that area for local rubber deformation, a diameter difference, uneven recovery, or adhesive residue. If the mark repeats at a fixed distance, compare that distance with the roller circumference. If they match, there may be one high spot, damaged area, or contaminated position on the rubber-covered roller. Also watch whether the problem gets worse after the machine has been running for some time. A rubber cover may look normal when cold but recover less evenly after repeated heat and compression. So do not judge this problem only when the laminate first leaves the machine. Check it again after cooling, and compare the material before and after rewinding. That usually makes the source of the mark much easier to see. For similar rubber roller problems, contact Wolorin. The full guide and related links are in the description.